السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. أهلا وسهلا بكم لجميع الطلاب من صف الثاني. My dear students, how are you? I think everyone is fine. So in the last class we discussed about the chapter, for the first chapter named الحديقة. We discussed about some words and about about your doubts in the live session. And I asked you to do some works you all have written and submitted me. So let's move on to the exercise of this chapter. So let's see. Take page number 14. In page number 14 we can see the heading نقرأ ونفهم. We'll read and we'll understand. So you see there are so many pictures. In the first picture it's a boy. In second picture it's a girl. So and in the next below that we can see a rooster, and besides it a hen, and here it's a gold, and the opposite of it it's a silver color or blade, and here we have a father and a mother. So what we are doing in this is we have to differentiate whether it's feminine or masculine. We said about it is when it is a boy we say hada, when it's a girl we say hadihi. See, so same way when it's a boy we say hada. See, beside that boy child we say right hada. When it's a girl we say hadihi. And you see the rooster is a male, it's a boy, so we say hada. Hen, chicken hen is a female. You see, it lays egg, right? So it's a female. So we say hadihi. Next one, gold. Gold is what? It's a or ring. It's a masculine. Means it's a masculine word. So we say hada. And blade is a feminine. So we say hadihi. Father is a man, so it's a masculine, so we say hada. When mother is a feminine, so we say hadihi. Okay, so we have learned about it. Same way in the next exercise also, this is the same situation. نقرأ ونتدرب. So we are going to read this and do the exercise. So you see there is a system like a solar system. There is a round, and inside that round there are two boxes. In one box it's written hada, other one hadihi. So you have to match which all are hada and which all are hadihi. I mean which all are masculine you have to put hada, and which all are feminine you have to match hadihi. For example, let's read it out. First one, la'ibat. If a word has a ta, closed ta at the last, it means it is feminine. If it has a closed ta at the last, it means feminine. So you see, la'ibat means la'iba means hadihi because it has a ta. Then next one, harima means hada because it's a masculine. Khafash, it's also a masculine, there is no ta, so it is hada. Kurra, there is a ta at the last, so it is hadihi. Sunduk, it doesn't have a ta at the last, so it is a masculine, so we put hada. Badr, it's also masculine, no ta, so we say hada. Asad, there is no ta in the last, so we say hada. Okay, in this way we have to match each of them. You have to do the work, you just match which is feminine, which if it is feminine you match it hadihi, if it is masculine you have to match with hada. Okay, next exercise. نقرأ الشمس المفردات. نقرأ الشمس المفردات. Here there are so many pictures, and we are going to read the Arabic word for this. What do we say? These animals. There are so many animals. You see, in the middle it's written al-hayawanat. Al-hayawanat means the animals. Al-hayawanat means the animals. So there are, it's a Shamsul Mufrad means it's a sun of words. Means like it's like a sun. See, hayawanat in middle, and there are so many lines, and each line we have each picture of an animal. So let's see what is the name of these in Arabic. You see, first picture we can see a camel. See, a camel. What do we say for camel in Arabic? We say jamalun. Jamalun. Okay. Next one is a tiger. A lion. A lion. For a lion we say asadun. What do we say? Asadun. Next one we say it's a picture of a deer. So for deer we say in Arabic lobiyun. Lobiyun. Okay. Next one is a fox. For a fox we say in Arabic tha'labun. Tha'lab. Okay. And last one is a puppy. So for a puppy we say jawrun. Jawrun. Okay. So for a puppy we say jarwun. Okay. Jarwun. And now we have 3 more blanks there. 3 more boxes. So you have to fill in that box. Write any 3 names of animals that you know. Any 3 names of the animals that you know. You fill in that blanks. Okay. So that is your work. Next one. نقرأ ونكمل. We are going to read this and we have to fill the blanks. You see that? There are 3 pictures. First one is a cow. Then we have a brick. Then we have a rabbit. The first picture is a cow. For cow we say baqara. Baqara. Okay? Baqara. So in the second picture we have brick. For brick we say labinun. What do we say? Labinun. Labinun means brick. Labanun means milk. Okay? So labinun, we have it, we call it brick. Arnabun for rabbit. So there is a letter which is common for all these words. What is it? Ba. Ba. See? Bakara. Ba. Labinun. Labi. Ba. Arnabun. Arnabun. Ba. See, we have ba in common. So we are going to learn ba, the word ba in from this. You see? So what you have to do is you have to fill those, you have to write and study ba from this. So here we are teaching when a ba comes in first, how do we write? When ba comes in middle, how do we write? When ba comes at last, how do we write? See? In Baqarah, first letter. In Lebanon, middle letter. Arnabun, last letter. So we are learning the form. So you have, below that you have a box with so many dots. Dash, karatun, la, dash, nun. So you have to fill that ba according to how we have to write in those boxes. Okay. Next word we are going to learn is ta. When ta is used in first, when ta is used in middle, when ta is used in last, how do we write? First one is tamrun for dates. We eat these dates, right? For dates we say in Arabic tamrun. So you see ta in the first. Next one is kutubun, books. Ta in the middle. Baitun, house. Ta in the last. So different forms of ta we can see there. So again we have boxes there. You have to complete those boxes by writing the way how we have to write ta. Okay, in each of the boxes. Next we are going to learn tha. Tha, how do we write tha in the first? How do we write tha in the middle? How do we write tha in the last? See, first one is thawrun. Thawrun means ox. What do you say? Ox or buffalo. For buffalo we say thawrun. So thawrun, buffalo. Then qitha'un. 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 Tha in the middle means cucumber. Cucumber. And last one is laythun. Laythun means lion. How? And we have tha in the last. So same way, again we have boxes. You have to write tha in the first. In the second box we have to write tha in the middle. Last box we have to write tha in the last. Next we are going to learn dal. Dal. Okay. Now let's see the word. How do we write dal in middle, first and last? First one is we have a kettle. We say this tun. What do we say? This tun for kettle, and we have dal in the front. Then we say for sodafun. Sodafun means, what do we say in that it's a thing that we get from sea. It's a seafood. We say sodafun. Sodafun. Okay. So in that we have da in the middle. Next, last one is mahdun. Mahdun means, what do we say? Cradle. In Malayalam we say tottil. Mahdun means cradle. So in that we have dal in the last. So again we have the box there, 3 boxes. In the first box we have to write dal in the first, second dal in the middle, third dal in the last. Okay. Same way we have one more word, and the word is dal. Dal with a dot. So we read it dal. Let's look into the words. The first picture is a barley, a corn. We say dhurratun. And we have dal in the first. Next one is radio, midya'un. Dal is in the middle. Last one, we have dal in the last, which is tilmidun. Tilmid means student. And we have boxes. In the first box we have to write dal in the first, second we have to write dal in the middle, and last we have to write dal in the last. You have to complete that. Okay. And same way we have the next exercise also. You have to fill the blanks with those in the bracket. You see, the first word is saw-ra. Saw-ra. So you have to put dal. You see a bracket. In bracket we can see dal. You have to put that dal in that blanks. How do we write dal when it comes in the middle? Next picture we have ta, and it's in the first place. So how do we write ta in the first? When it comes first, we have to write it down there. And next picture we have ka, sa, then a blank, and we have to fill it with ba. So how do we write ba when it comes in the last place? Same way, everything comes ta, everything you have to write according to. When it comes first, we have to write in that style. When it comes in the middle, you have to write in that form, and when it comes in last, you have to write in that form. So fill that also. And the last exercise of this chapter is nulawwin, which means we have to color. You see that? Tha ba ta. It's a word, and you have to color that word with beautiful color. Each word with different color. Color first tha with different color, then color ba with different color, then ta with different color. Okay, inshallah, and I'll ask you in the next class. So with this we finish this chapter, and if you have any doubt or if you have to ask me in the class, and you have to fill this, write down this homework, and I'll ask you in the class to show me. And with this we conclude this class. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us wisdom. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.